Hi everyone, wishing you a fresh and delightful day, my dear children. It's happy to join you in another video. I think you are enjoying the rainy days. This video is for grade 5, term 2, English, and the unit is 1. Already I had taught you the prose and grammar from this unit, and now I'll teach you the first poem and glossaries from this unit. The poem name is Mother Nature. What is nature? All the animals, plants, rocks, etc. in the world, and all the features, forces and processes that happen or exist independently of people, such as the weather, the sea, mountains, the production of young ones and plants, and then the growth is called nature. Okay, let me read the poem lines now. Listen carefully. Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. So it's an interesting poem about the offering of Mother Nature. The attribute hospitality comes from our nature. விருந்தோம்பல் என்ற பண்பு முதல்ல நமக்கு இயற்கை கிட்ட இருந்து தான் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்றது நமக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். இதுதான் இந்த போயமோட நோக்கமும் கூட. In this poem, the poet exposes the hospitality of the mother nature. The nature distributes everything equally without any discrimination was explained clearly in this poem. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. Herd means மாட்டு மந்தை ஆட்டு மந்தை அதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறது தான் herd இங்கிலீஷில். Herd is a collective noun. This virtue, which virtue? Hospitality என்ற நல்ல குணம் நம்மளோட கலாச்சாரம் மற்றும் நம்மளோட பழக்க வழக்கத்தில் ஒன்றாகவே இருக்க வேண்டியது hospitality என்ற பண்பு. So, whoever comes to our home, it's our duty to welcome them with a smiling face. So, if we have this attribute of hospitality in us, we can win everyone's heart. ஸோ வாழ்க்கை என்ற இந்த ஓட்டத்தில் நமக்கு நட்புகளும் உறவுகளும் வந்து சேரும். எப்போ இந்த விருந்தோம்பல் என்ற நல்ல குணத்தை நாம் அடாப்ட் பண்ணி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறப்போ ஃபார்ச்சூன் மீன்ஸ் அதிர்ஷ்டம் என்ற ஒரு விஷயம் நம்ம கதவை தட்டும். How the mother nature welcome all of us with smiling face, and nature எப்படி இன்முகத்தோட எல்லாத்தையும் தருதோ நமக்கு, அதே போல் நாமளும் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வரவங்கள இன்முகத்தோடு வரவேற்கணும். இதுவே மிகப்பெரிய அதிர்ஷ்டம் நம்மளை தேடி வர்ற காரணமாக அமையும். So, as a student, you should imitate such high moral behavior at this young age. Such a characteristic flourishes in all a new society, free of inequalities, will emerge in the world. Will you be, children? Yes, I hope you will be. Let's see the glossaries now. Hospitality, taking good care of the guests and visitors. Strangers, unknown person. Strangers, unknown person. Refreshing, renewing and restart. Refreshing, renewing and restart. Virtue, high moral behavior. Virtue, high moral behavior. Culture, the habits and customs of a particular society. Culture, the habits and customs of a particular society. Fortune, luck. Fortune, good luck. So children, read the glossaries thoroughly and write it for 2 times, and also find the rhyming words from the poem. Once you completed the homework, send it in your class WhatsApp group without fail. Okay, thank you children. Have a pleasant evening.